Hey y'all, it's time for another video for the LS Stroker build. Better get ready to check my main bearing clearances. See, I got the main bearings in the block. Got them in the caps. See, I got my studs for my mains. Put my caps on. Check my clearances. Check them one at a time. From the back forward. So I'm gonna put the rear cap on. Put my nuts on. Put me some anti-seize on the threads, or assembly lube on the threads, so I can torque them where they're supposed to be. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna torque all the main studs to 60 pounds, foot-pounds. I should put the side bolts in, but they don't typically make a difference, so just leave those out. £60 foot. So now I gotta check the journal on the crank.
Wait, no, that's not safe.
Get the size of it.
You don't listen to it. then he can't make you float because you have to do this. So put in earplugs. Yeah, now he can't make you float. And that's the evil plot. You know? Oh, no. This can make him not that much powerful because he's the evil Egyptian.
Rock it down. I see how far out 0 it is, and it's gonna tell me my clearance.
What is that? What is that?
The yard is about 2,000.
Laser gun, or Superman. Oh, Daddy got that. No,
3,000.
this is the Chaos Crayon. Mommy, you steal. Don't take this. They time. Yeah, you didn't really steal this stuff. You didn't really not eat. He said I could have it. Daddy, you have the black thing to draw it so you can know what number your tie is.
Alright, so number 5, man, is right at 3,000. I'm gonna write that down and keep checking them, and then decide if I want to take some clearance out or add some clearance or what I want to do.
I hope we don't have another thing that can hit me. What's your name? I know my name.
Why would I voice you how to get?
Yeah. It's a net. I'm tied up in it.
Why can't he? They old. Other people don't fool.
Oh. Stop making your thing shoo.
Dad, what can I do to help? What can I do to help?
Nothing.
Why?
I don't want you to get dirty.
I know what I can do. Well, not
Daddy,
dirty.
it's okay to get dirty.
I can wipe my
It's
hands.
dirty.
I'm gonna wipe my hands. Daddy, I want it to stay dirty so I can go outside.
I blew the wall up. Roll back.
Ooh. I won't be taking Egyptian one.
Ooh. Oh yeah, Mr. Eraser is mean. Mr. Eraser is mean because he always erases. Everything green, Daddy. So is this how it feels? It turns you bad and you have to take it. I'm green anyway. You brown. Oh, don't say that. Yeah, yeah, always. I thought you mean a bad. What's that door open? Daddy.
Alright, y'all. So this one right at 3 also.
Oh, I forgot about that one.
So I do want it. I thought it didn't have top.
Why you let me get it?
The main clearance is coming up to about 2,500. 2.5. Alright, y'all. So number 2 came out right at 2.5. So we got 3, 3, 2.5, 2.5. Got one more to check. Alright, y'all. So I'm getting all the way up to 4,000s on this one. I could deal with the 3. I don't want the 4, so I'm gonna swap these. This one 2.5, this one 4. I'm gonna swap the bearings in these two. See, does it make a difference? Alright, y'all. So I actually went back and rechecked this one. Remike my crank. I was a little loose on my crank, so rechecked it. I'm actually at about 2.75, so a little less than 3. So I'm gonna ride out with that. So you got 3, 3, 2.5, 3, 2.75. Let's figure out what I want to do. I might just leave it like that. I like to run a little extra clearance. The loose clearance won't hurt it more than a tight clearance, and I like to run a thicker oil, especially on a motor like this. So I might just leave it like that, but I'm gonna think on it for a while and figure out what I want to do. Alright, y'all, so went ahead and set the crank in it. Put all my nuts on and tighten up my studs.